Join me as I dive deep into the world of MicroStrategy and take on the challenge of predicting whether it's about to crash or soar to new heights. MicroStrategy, a pioneer in the cryptocurrency space, has captured global attention since its founding in 1989 by Michael Saylor. Initially a leader in business intelligence and analytics solutions, it later became synonymous with Bitcoin after its groundbreaking decision to invest heavily in the cryptocurrency. This move has positioned MicroStrategy as a trailblazer, not just in tech but also in the financial and cryptocurrency landscapes. But the question on everyone's mind is, can MicroStrategy weather the current storm of market volatility, or are we witnessing the beginning of a major downfall? Let's explore the current dynamics shaping MicroStrategy's future. MicroStrategy's decision to adopt Bitcoin wasn't impulsive. Michael Saylor, the company's charismatic founder, envisioned Bitcoin as the future of money, a hedge against inflation, and a way to store corporate value long-term. This conviction led to a bold strategy, integrating Bitcoin into its balance sheet. Today, MicroStrategy holds over 150,000 Bitcoins, worth billions of dollars. This unprecedented move not only boosted its stock price during Bitcoin's bull runs but also set a benchmark for institutional cryptocurrency adoption. But with great power comes great responsibility. MicroStrategy's heavy reliance on Bitcoin now ties its fate closely to the unpredictable cryptocurrency market. This makes the company vulnerable to Bitcoin's notorious price swings. Fast forward to today, and the cryptocurrency market is more volatile than ever. After a brief recovery in 2024, Bitcoin's price is once again seesawing between bullish optimism and bearish skepticism. Factors like macroeconomic instability, rising interest rates, and declining retail investor activity are taking a toll. MicroStrategy's stock price, which often mirrors Bitcoin's movements, has taken hits in recent months. While it benefited during the bull market, its overexposure to Bitcoin has now made it a target for bearish sentiment. Critics argue that the company's lack of diversification increases its risk, especially as traditional markets face increasing uncertainty. One of the biggest hurdles in 2025 is regulatory uncertainty. Governments worldwide are accelerating efforts to regulate cryptocurrencies. Countries like the US are proposing stringent taxation rules and stablecoin regulations, while others, like China, continue to crack down on digital assets. For a company like MicroStrategy, this regulatory ambiguity poses significant risks. If governments impose harsh regulations on Bitcoin, it could reduce its adoption, affect liquidity, and cause prices to plummet. This would directly impact MicroStrategy's balance sheet and stock performance. Moreover, recent talks of CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, gaining traction worldwide may sideline Bitcoin's narrative as a future currency. How MicroStrategy navigates these challenges will determine whether it can maintain its position as a Bitcoin champion or falters under pressure. Despite the challenges, one of MicroStrategy's biggest strengths lies in its appeal to institutional investors. By catering to large-scale investors, the company has brought legitimacy to Bitcoin, encouraging banks, hedge funds, and corporations to enter the space. Institutional investors typically bring stability and long-term vision to volatile markets. They are less likely to panic sell, ensuring a degree of price stability. MicroStrategy's innovative approach to positioning itself as a bridge between traditional finance and cryptocurrency has bolstered its reputation. However, this reliance on institutional investors is a double-edged sword. If institutions lose faith in Bitcoin due to regulatory crackdowns or prolonged bear markets, the ripple effect on MicroStrategy could be catastrophic. The company's long-term success depends on its ability to retain these investors and adapt to their evolving needs. One of MicroStrategy's most underrated strengths is its commitment to investor education. The company has made significant efforts to demystify Bitcoin for institutional and retail investors alike. Through webinars, conferences, and detailed market analysis, it has positioned itself as not just an investor but also an educator. This focus on education fosters a sense of trust and loyalty among investors. By empowering them with knowledge, MicroStrategy mitigates the risks of panic selling, especially during market downturns. This strategy aligns with the company's vision of creating a stable and sustainable cryptocurrency market. However, education alone cannot eliminate the risks associated with volatile assets like Bitcoin. Even well-informed investors can react emotionally in extreme market conditions. The possibility of a crash cannot be ignored. Bitcoin's recent price fluctuations and the broader market's bearish trends have cast doubt on MicroStrategy's near-term performance. Critics argue that the company's overexposure to Bitcoin makes it ill-prepared for prolonged bear markets. Moreover, regulatory uncertainty adds another layer of complexity. Any adverse rulings could dampen investor confidence, leading to a sell-off in both Bitcoin and MicroStrategy stock. That said, there are still reasons to remain optimistic. MicroStrategy's secret weapon lies in its ability to innovate and adapt. Unlike other companies that merely hold Bitcoin, MicroStrategy has positioned itself as a thought leader in the space. 1. Institutional focus. The company continues to prioritize institutional investors, who are less influenced by short-term market trends. By creating tailored solutions for these investors, MicroStrategy ensures a steady stream of capital and credibility. 2. Diversification plans. While Bitcoin remains its primary focus, MicroStrategy is exploring ways to diversify its offerings. Recent rumors suggest the company may venture into blockchain analytics or provide enterprise-grade tools for decentralized finance, DeFi. 3. Global reach. MicroStrategy's influence extends beyond the US. It has actively engaged with global markets, tapping into regions where cryptocurrency adoption is growing rapidly. This diversification reduces its reliance on a single market or regulatory environment. 4. Long-term vision. Michael Saylor's unwavering belief in Bitcoin as a long-term store of value provides a strong foundation for the company's strategy. While critics may argue that this approach is risky, Saylor's vision aligns with the growing trend of Bitcoin being seen as digital gold. For MicroStrategy, the next 12 months will be critical. The company must focus on regulatory preparedness, engaging with policymakers to shape a favorable regulatory framework. Risk mitigation, reducing its reliance on Bitcoin by exploring complementary assets or services. Investor retention, strengthening relationships with institutional investors through transparency and innovative solutions. Market education, doubling down on efforts to educate the public about the long-term value of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Will MicroStrategy crash or thrive in 2025? The answer lies in how well it navigates the challenges ahead. While the risks are significant, the company's commitment to innovation, education, and institutional adoption gives it a fighting chance. Ultimately, MicroStrategy's success will depend on its ability to balance its bold Bitcoin strategy with the realities of a volatile market and evolving regulations. If it can adapt and stay ahead of the curve, it may emerge stronger than ever. What do you think? Will MicroStrategy survive the storm or succumb to the pressure? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on cryptocurrency trends and analysis. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and always do your own research. Let's navigate this ever-changing world of crypto together. See you in the next video.